Question number 1. The purpose of Philippine Electrical Code is the practical safeguarding of persons and property from hazards arising from the use of electricity. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question number 2. Compliance with the Philippine Electrical Code shall result in installations which are efficient, adequate for good service, and free from hazard. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. Question number 3. Capable of being removed or exposed without damaging the building structure or finish, or not permanently closed in by the structure or finish of the building. A. Readily accessible. B. Accessible. C. Reachable. D. Removable. Answer: B. Accessible. Question number 4. The maximum current, in amperes, that a conductor can carry continuously under the conditions of use without exceeding its temperature rating. A. Maximum load. B. Maximum current. C. Ampacity. D. Ampere rating. Answer: C. Ampacity. Question number 5. A device designed to open and close a circuit by non-automatic means, and to open the circuit automatically on a predetermined overcurrent, without damage to itself when properly applied within its rating. A. Load break switch. B. Circuit breaker. C. Controller. D. Fuse. Answer: B. Circuit breaker. Question number 6. A conductor having no covering or electrical insulation whatsoever. A. Open conductor. B. Open wire. C. Bare conductor. D. Insulated conductor. Answer: C. Bare conductor. Question number 7. A single unit, providing complete and independent living facilities for one or more persons, including permanent provisions for living, sleeping, cooking, and sanitation. A. One-family dwelling. B. House. C. Dwelling unit. D. Multifamily dwelling. Answer: C. Dwelling unit. Question number 8. All circuit conductors between the service equipment, the source of a separately derived system, or other power supply source, and the final branch circuit overcurrent device. A. Service drop. B. Service entrance. C. Lateral lines. D. Feeder. Answer: D. Feeder. Question number 9. An outlet intended for the direct connection of a lampholder, a luminaire, or a pendant cord terminating in a lampholder. A. Convenience outlet. B. Lighting outlet. C. An outlet. D. Socket. Answer: B. Lighting outlet. Question number 10. A nominal value assigned to a circuit or system for the purpose of conveniently designating its voltage class. A. Nominal voltage. B. Voltage rating. C. Nominal rating. D. Voltage class. Answer: A. Nominal voltage. Question number 11. In securing electrical permit, the services of a licensed electrical practitioner is required under Republic Act 7920 or National Electrical Engineering Law. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question number 12. Sufficient access and working space shall be provided and maintained about all electrical equipment to permit ready and safe operation and maintenance of such equipment. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 13. What is the minimum clear distance for exposed live parts on both sides of the working space for 0 to 150 nominal voltage to ground? A. 800 millimeters. B. 900 millimeters. C. 1000 millimeters. D. 1100 millimeters. Answer B. 900 millimeters. Question number 14. Blank shall be provided for all working spaces about service equipment, switchboards, switchgear, panel boards, or motor control centers installed indoors. A. Lighting. B. Grounding. C. Illumination. D. Tester. Answer C. Illumination. Question number 15. Enclosures for use in tunnels shall be drip-proof, weatherproof, or submersible as required by the environmental conditions. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 16. The continuity of a grounded conductor shall depend on a connection to a metallic enclosure, raceway, or cable armor. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question number 17. An insulated grounded conductor of blank or smaller shall be identified by continuous white outer finish. A. 10 mm square. B. 12 mm square. C. 14 mm square. D. 8 mm square. Answer C. 14 mm square. Question number 18. An insulated conductor that is intended for use as a grounded conductor, where contained within a flexible cord, shall be identified by a white or gray outer finish. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 19. For devices with screw shells, the terminal for the grounded conductor shall be the one connected to the screw shell. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 20. All conductors of a multiwire branch circuit shall originate from the same blank or similar distribution equipment. A. Panel board. B. Circuit breaker. C. Outlet. D. Feeder. Answer A. Panel board. Question number 21. Each multiwire branch circuit shall be provided with a means that will simultaneously disconnect all ungrounded conductors at the point where the branch circuit originates. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 22. Where a branch circuit is supplied from a DC system operating at more than 60 volts, each ungrounded conductor of 22 mm square or larger shall be identified by polarity at all termination, connection, and splice points by marking tape, tagging, or other approved means. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 23. Branch circuits larger than blank amperes shall supply only non-lighting outlet loads. A. 40 amperes. B. 50 amperes. C. 60 amperes. D. 70 amperes. Answer B. 50 amperes. Question number 24. Branch circuits in each dwelling unit shall supply only loads within the dwelling unit or loads associated only with that dwelling unit. A. True. B. false. Answer A, true. Question number 25. In dwelling units, hallways of blank millimeters or more in length shall have at least one receptacle outlet. A, 2000 millimeters. B, 2500 millimeters. C, 3000 millimeters. D, 3100 millimeters. Answer C, 3000 millimeters. Question number 26. At least one wall switch-controlled lighting outlet shall be installed in every habitable room, kitchen, and bathroom. A, true. B, false. Answer A, true. Question number 27. Where a building or structure is supplied by more than one service, or any combination of branch circuits, feeders, and services, a permanent blank shall be installed at each service disconnect location denoting all other services, feeders, and branch circuits supplying that building or structure and the area served by each. A, marker. B, plaque or directory. C, symbol. D, legend. Answer B, plaque or directory. Question number 28. Service conductors installed as open conductors, or multi-conductor cable without an overall outer jacket, shall have a clearance of not less than blank from windows that are designed to be opened, doors, porches, balconies, ladders, stairs, fire escapes, or similar locations. A, 900 millimeters. B, 1000 millimeters. C, 1100 millimeters. D, 1200 millimeters. Answer A, 900 millimeters. Question number 29. Vegetation such as trees can be used for support of overhead service conductors or service equipment. A, true. B, false. Answer B, false. Question number 30. Overhead service conductors shall have sufficient ampacity to carry the current for the load and shall have adequate blank. A, length. B, mechanical strength. C, insulation. D, support. Answer B, mechanical strength. Question number 31. Blank protection for conductors and equipment is provided to open the circuit if the current reaches a value that will cause an excessive or dangerous temperature in conductors or conductor insulation. A, overvoltage. B, overcurrent. C, circuit. D, motor. Answer B, overcurrent. Question number 32. A conductor, other than a service conductor, that has overcurrent protection ahead of its point of supply that exceeds the value permitted for similar conductors that are protected. A, overhead conductor. B, lateral conductor. C, circuit conductor. D, tap conductor. Answer D, tap conductor. Question number 33. Conductor overload protection shall not be required where the interruption of the circuit would create a hazard, such as in a material handling magnet circuit or fire pump circuit. A, true. B, false. Answer A, true. Question number 34. Electrical equipment and wiring and other electrically conductive material likely to become energized shall be installed in a manner that creates a blank circuit, facilitating the operation of the overcurrent device or ground detector for high-impedance grounded systems. A, low impedance. B, high current. C, High impedance. D. Low voltage. Answer A. Low impedance. Question number 35. The grounding of electrical systems, circuit conductors, surge arresters, surge protective devices, and conductive normally non-current carrying metal parts of equipment shall be installed and arranged in a manner that will prevent blank. A. Low current. B. High current. C. Objectionable current. D. Maximum current. Answer C. Objectionable current. Question number 36. Ground clamps or other fittings exposed to physical damage shall be enclosed in metal, wood, or equivalent protective covering. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 37. Circuits for electric cranes operating over combustible fibers in Class 3 locations shall be grounded. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question number 38. Where the transformer supplying the service is located outside the building, at least blank additional grounding connection shall be made from the grounded service conductor to a grounding electrode, either at the transformer or elsewhere outside the building. A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer A. 1. Question number 39. Where an auxiliary gutter runs between a blank panel board and a pull box, and the pull box includes neutral terminations, the neutral conductors of circuits supplied from the panel board shall be permitted to originate in the pull box. A. Main. B. Open. C. Column width. D. Close. Answer C. Column width. Question number 40. It can be produced by means of chemical energy, light energy, and magnetic energy combined with mechanical motion. A. Voltage. B. Current. C. Power. D. Energy. Answer A. Voltage. Question number 41. It is a type of voltage source that is composed of one or more cells that convert chemical energy directly into electrical energy. A. Voltaic cell. B. Cell. C. Battery. D. Primary cell. Answer C. Battery. Question number 42. 5 coulombs of charge flow past a given point in a wire in 2 seconds. What is the current in amperes? A. 10 amperes. B. 5 amperes. C. 2.5 amperes. D. 0.4 ampere. Answer C. 2.5 amperes. Question number 43. It is the opposition to current. A. Admittance. B. Susceptance. C. Conductance. D. Resistance. Answer D. Resistance. Question number 44. What is the unit of conductance? A. Ohm. B. Siemens. C. Volts. D. Ampere. Answer B. Siemens. Question number 45. The variable resistor used to divide voltage is called blank. A. Potentiometer. B. Rheostat. C. Voltage divider. D. Current divider. Answer A. Potentiometer. Question number 46. What is the cross-sectional area of a wire with a diameter of 0.005 inch? A. 2.5 circular mil. B. 5 circular mil. C. 10 circular mil. D. 25 circular mil. Answer, D. 25 circular mil. Question number 47. It is the smallest particle of an element that retains the characteristics of that element. A. Atom. B. Molecule. C. Electron. D. Proton. Answer, A. Atom. Question number 48. A law that states a force exists between two charged bodies that is directly proportional to the product of the two charges, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. A. Molecular law. B. Coulomb's law. C. Ohm's law. D. Kirchhoff's law. Answer, B. Coulomb's law. Question number 49. A material that does not allow current under normal conditions. A. Conductor. B. Semiconductor. C. Resistor. D. Insulator. Answer, D. Insulator. Question number 50. Determine the resistance and tolerance of this 5-band resistor. Red, violet, black, gold, red. A. 27 ohm plus minus 2%. B. 270 ohm plus minus 2%. C. 27 ohm plus minus 1%. D. 270 ohm plus minus 0.5%. Answer, A. 27 ohm plus minus 2%.